Hello, everybody. This is Karni Zor, and this time I'm broadcasting the weekly astrological forecast from here, from Isis's temple here on a small island on the Nile River here in Egypt. So take a look at this beautiful, beautiful location. And from here, I want to explain a bit about the opportunities of this month's astrological um, gifts. So these days, the sun enters the realm of creation. And whilst the sun is at the realm of creation, it's the time for us to remember that we are the creators of our own reality. And this is what this whole month is about. So during this time, it's very important to remember that what we think about actualizes eventually, in this month, even quicker than usual. So we want to be very mindful of our thoughts to see what are our thought patterns, and do they support the future that we want to see. We have a whole month to make sure that if we have some negative thoughts or thought patterns regarding I can't do it, this can't happen, I'm not worthy, and all these things that we might tell ourselves, this is really the time to change these thought patterns. The sun allows us to be more aware of the things we say to ourselves and the things we think about, and the fact that what we tell ourselves, the things that we say, actually create our reality. So this is the time to pay attention to our thoughts, and on the bright side, to really think about what it is that we want to manifest in our lives, because we have the support of the stars this month. And with that support, what we want to summon into our lives will be created in a much quicker way than what we think. So it's good to be clear about what it is that you want to invite to your life, what it is that you want to create. This is the time maybe to sit down, work the details, and really think what it is that you want to manifest in your life. So from here, beautiful, beautiful Temple of Isis here in Egypt. I say to you that you are the author of your own life, and this is the time to create the life that you want to have for yourself. In my site, you'll find a more elaborated written astrological forecast. Make sure you read it, and don't hesitate to pass this message forward to more friends so it can spread around. Goodbye, until soon.